One question that I just thought of that could arise is why have I fixed the gantry right back here? And it's very simple. It is so that I've got the full travel of the Y table underneath the centre of the Dremel, and the Z-axis isn't fixed at the moment. I just plopped it in there to show what I'm talking about, okay? Because that way it's all the way to there, that way it's all the way to there. If it was in the middle, I would have very short Y table movement. At the moment this gives me a maximum work area of 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. As you can see, I've bolted the hinges onto the power supply case, and now, having got it in line, I drew a square line straight down where the end of the case came, and now I'll just spot in the fixing holes. Ready for drilling and screwing. See you on the next bit. A little guessing game. Can anybody tell me what I've done wrong? Yep, you're right. I used the wrong screws. Where my head was when I picked those screws up, I'll never know, because they're panhead, holding the lid of the power supply on. I want a countersunk. Boo! Thick or what? I thought before anybody asked, I'd show you how I've done the wiring of the X-axis. These two are for the motor, and these three are the rotary encoder. I haven't worked out what are what just yet. I know they'll work, so it's not a problem. Well, I'm being positive. As Patrick will go, oh no, not PMA again. Yeah, positive mental attitude. I'm always talking to him about that, but there we go. So yeah, that's ready now for wiring to the jogging unit. I still haven't found a good screw for the power pack, but I will. I'll keep looking in amongst all my stuff. I've still got a load of boxes to go through down the lab. What I have found, if you will, are some printed circuit board push buttons. I don't go towards the screen, Raymond, go towards the lens. Now these I got from a Mitsubishi video recorder where I got the Z-axis motor from, and they will be used for the jogging buttons, for making the axes go backwards and forwards. I should make my own buttons, not buttons, but button caps to come through the panel to press. I know loads of you are going to shout, but you need a bigger one than that. I was thinking of using this as an emergency stop, you know, with a big button on the front. But alright, stop screaming. Yes, I will get a proper one. You're like that noisy when you object to something, aren't you? Right, so next plan of attack is get the screws down for the power pack. I've also replaced the capacitor in the power pack, which was that one there. It was a 16 volt capacitor on 12 volt rail, and there's now a 35 volt one in there, so that one ain't going to go pop. I've checked all the others, they're fine. So as soon as I've sorted out my screwing problem with the hinges, then I can put the power pack together. And what I've decided to do is on the back of the lid here is where I'm going to be mounting my terminal block. Not on here because it'll restrict the flow of air, so I thought I wouldn't do that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'll put the connectors on there and then bring the wires from here straight down, and then they'll come out this side and across to the jogging panel, and anywhere else they have to go. Alright then.